Most drivers don't realize how dangerous their blind spots actually are. Until somebody's suddenly in the next lane and it's already too late. And honestly, a lot of these cheap blind spot mirrors are complete junk. They fall off in heat, vibrate at highway speeds, or distort the reflection so badly they're basically useless. I tested the top-rated options myself so you don't waste your money on something that fails when you need it most. And if you've ever bought a car accessory that looked great online and turned out terrible in real life, hit subscribe because we test this stuff the way normal drivers actually use it. Also, updated prices and best deals are linked below, and if you want recommendations for your specific vehicle, drop it in the comments. Starting at number 5, the Amper Blind Spot Mirror. The first thing I noticed with the Amper mirrors is how ridiculously easy they are to install. You get these slim frameless convex mirrors with strong adhesive backing, and within literally a couple minutes they're mounted and ready to go. The glass clarity is surprisingly solid for the price too. A lot of budget mirrors give you that warped funhouse reflection. These don't. The frameless design also looks cleaner than most bulky options, especially on modern sedans and SUVs. Now in real-world driving, this is where the Amper actually surprised me. I used these during heavy highway merging and city traffic, and they instantly reduced that shoulder check panic most drivers deal with. Especially in rain and nighttime lane changes. The viewing angle is wide enough to catch motorcycles and smaller cars that normally disappear beside your rear quarter panel. The only downside is the adhesive is very permanent once installed, so you really want to position them carefully the first time. But for the money, these are one of the easiest upgrades you can make to improve driving confidence. But this next option fixes one of the biggest complaints drivers had with basic mirrors. At number 4, the OBTANIM 4-pack blind spot mirror. Now this is where things start getting more versatile. Instead of just one pair, you get a full 4-pack, which honestly makes a lot of sense if you've got multiple vehicles in the family or you want backups. The mirrors themselves are compact but very adjustable, and the swivel mounting design lets you fine-tune the viewing angle way better than fixed position models. That matters more than people think. Tiny adjustments completely change what you can actually see. In real-world use, the flexibility here is the biggest advantage. I tested these on both a pickup truck and a smaller commuter car, and the ability to reposition them made a huge difference depending on mirror size and seating position. Cheap mirrors usually fail here because you're stuck with one awkward angle forever. These don't have that problem. They also held surprisingly well during heat and car washes. The only thing I didn't love is the mirrors are slightly smaller than some premium models, so drivers wanting the absolute widest view might want something larger. Still, for versatility and value, these punch way above their price point. Now the next product is where visibility starts getting seriously impressive. Coming in at number 3, the MARLBSTON 2PCS blind spot mirrors. The MARLBSTON mirrors immediately feel more premium once you handle them. The housing is sturdier, the convex glass is clearer, and the rotation mechanism feels tighter and more secure than most budget sets. You can tell these were designed for drivers who spend a lot of time on highways. The wider curvature gives you a noticeably larger field of view without making objects look too distorted or far away. And honestly, this is what most buyers don't realize. Visibility isn't just about seeing more. It's about seeing clearly enough to react quickly. After testing these during fast-moving interstate traffic, I noticed lane changes felt smoother and less stressful because the image stayed stable even at higher speeds. That's something the cheaper mirrors struggle with. They vibrate constantly. The MARLBSTON stayed solid. The only minor drawback is they stick out slightly more than ultra-slim designs, but personally, I'd take better visibility over a stealthy look any day. But now we move into something completely different. At number 2, the JOYTUTUS rear view mirror. This isn't just a little add-on blind spot mirror. This thing completely changes your rear visibility setup. Instead of attaching tiny convex mirrors to your side mirrors, the JOYTUTUS is a full panoramic rear view mirror upgrade that clips directly over your factory mirror. And the difference the first time you drive with it is honestly shocking. You suddenly see way more of the lanes beside and behind you with almost no blind spots left. In real-world driving, especially on longer road trips, this thing reduces fatigue more than I expected. You spend less time constantly moving your head trying to check traffic because the wider mirror handles so much of that work for you. I tested it during crowded freeway driving and parking lot maneuvering, and it genuinely makes the vehicle feel easier to control. This is especially good for SUVs, trucks, and vehicles with poor factory visibility. The only downside is it takes a day or two for your eyes to adjust to the wider perspective. But once you get used to it, going back to a normal mirror feels terrible. And now, the number 1 pick. This is the one I kept coming back to over and over during testing. At number 1, the LivTee blind spot mirrors. These hit the sweet spot almost perfectly between visibility, build quality, adjustability, and long-term reliability. The frameless HD glass looks incredibly clean, and the swivel and tilt design gives you precise control over the angle. Right away, they feel more refined than most competitors. No rattling. No loose movement. No cheap plastic feel. But the real reason these took the top spot is consistency. In everyday driving, they just work. Whether I was backing out of tight parking spaces, changing lanes in heavy rain, or driving at night with glare from headlights everywhere, the LivTee mirrors gave a crystal clear view every single time. And that reliability matters more than flashy marketing features. Most people buy blind spot mirrors hoping they'll help during emergencies. The problem is cheap ones become useless exactly when conditions get bad. These didn't. What also impressed me is how natural they feel once installed. Some mirrors create distracting distortion or make distances hard to judge. LivTee found a really smart balance between wide-angle visibility and realistic depth perception. The only tiny complaint is the adhesive backing could include an extra spare in the box, but honestly, performance-wise, these were the most confidence-inspiring mirrors I tested. So here's the breakdown. If you want the cheapest solid upgrade that still works well, go with the Ampere. If you need versatility for multiple vehicles, the OBTANIM 4-pack makes a ton of sense. The MARLBSTON is great for highway drivers who want maximum clarity and stability. The JOYTUTUS is perfect for drivers who want a full visibility upgrade instead of small add-ons. But overall, for the best combination of safety, visibility, durability, and daily usability, the LivTee takes the win. And trust me, once you start driving with a good blind spot mirror setup, you'll wonder how you ever drove without one. It's one of those small upgrades that can genuinely help prevent expensive accidents and make driving feel less stressful every single day. If this video helped you out, subscribe for more real-world automotive reviews without the marketing nonsense. Links to all the products and updated prices are down below, and if you've tested any of these yourself or you want help choosing one for your vehicle, drop a comment. I read all of them. And as always, drive safe out there.